Hey team, welcome back. Today we're reading Passage S, the Desert, from the third text in the Simple Comprehension series. The sand dunes were always on the move. The wind blew sand which skipped, twisted, and turned through the air before settling again. There was life beneath the dunes. Sleeping scorpions would come out in the cool of the night, scurrying into the darkness to find food. Camels appeared from time to time in the distance, their eyes almost entirely closed to the sandy air. Their noses would move and smell for the faint taste of something very important in the desert: water. Questions. From the story, what happens to sand dunes over time? What life lives beneath the dunes? Why would scorpions come out at night? Why would camels close their eyes? What would camels use their noses for? Now let's check the answers. From the story, what happens to sand dunes over time? Sand dunes move over time. It says so in the first sentence. What life lives beneath the dunes? Well, there are scorpions living beneath the dunes. It says so in the fourth sentence here. Why would scorpions come out at night? They would come out to look for food. It mentions that here, scurrying in the darkness to find food. Why would the camels close their eyes? To protect their eyes from the sandy air. It says so here. And what would camels use their noses for? They would, of course, use their noses to smell for water. Thank you for your time. How did you go?